Hello friends, welcome to the channel Trading Strategies. Today is 4th June 2020. We'll discuss about tomorrow's trade, that is 5th June 2020, Nifty, Bank Nifty and two stocks for tomorrow's trade, that is Tech Mahindra and Aurobindo Pharma. These two stocks, how to trade tomorrow, that we will discuss in this video. This is a disclaimer, please go through the disclaimer. Now straight away we'll go to the technical charts. So this is the Nifty daily chart. See today, this is the today's candle. If you observe this rally, yesterday I explained, so this is the tough area to cross, the high of this candle, that is the high of this candle is 10,176. So that is the biggest problematic area for the coming days. If the price closed above this level, then there is a probability of going high. So maybe 10,000, this gap zone around 10,400 or 10,500. Until then, there is a probability of going down and testing this 9,700 and 9,600 zone. This is the probability of market in coming days. So today also, if you see these two candles, it formed a lower high and lower low. So that is the bearishness of the movement for couple of days. So now we'll straight away go to the 15 minutes chart and have a plan for tomorrow's trade. So today's trade successfully made because it tested the supply zone and fall from the supply zone about 120-130 points downside from the supply zone. So this is the supply zone, so it fallen. For this is for today's trade over already. So what I'll do is I'll remove this. Now tomorrow, how to trade tomorrow? The very simple thing to trade. It need not be much calculations, much indicators and everything not required. Only you have to place where the price consolidated and fallen from there. This is the price consolidated and fall from here. This tomorrow will have a stiff resistance. 1089 and 1068 zone is a stiff resistance. So this is our entry. We're entering somewhere here around 1075 and keeping a stop loss above this level of 25 points and keep a target of today's low or the demand zone at 9,900 kind of levels. So I'm putting my target here only. So 9,930 kind of levels is the target for tomorrow's trade. Exclusively this is a Nifty spot chart. According to that you can trade Nifty. Now we'll see the Bank Nifty also for tomorrow. So Nifty Bank. This is the daily chart of Bank Nifty. So I explained the probability of going down today also. Yesterday's video, you can check it up. So today if you see the big red candle, so there is a high probability it may go down tomorrow also. So but entry level is so much important. The coming days it may test 9,600 and 9,400 kind of levels in coming days. So this is the supply area. This is the supply area tested and falling. So this downside it may test these levels 9,600 to 9,400 level. So the until unless it closed above 21,600, until that sell and rally and keep a stop loss above 91,700. So that is a trading strategy for the positional trading. And for intraday for tomorrow we'll see now. So this is the yesterday plan. It tested the supply and fall. So now for tomorrow we'll see the plan for tomorrow trading Bank Nifty. See, this is the Bank Nifty 15 minutes chart. If you see today's price action, this is the base area and drop. It is consolidating. It's trying to break this support. See, several times it tested today. There is a high probability to break tomorrow this level. 20,300 level maybe break tomorrow. So our idea should be like this. So this consolidation zone will act as tip resistance for Bank Nifty. So we have to plan like this. This would be our entry point. So a shorting opportunity at 20,800 if it comes to that area, and the stop above this level 21,000 and above is the stop loss. Aim a target of this. This is the somewhere here you can keep your target. If the price opens in between, if goes upside, this is the short entry. If the price opens gap down, then let the price to go up and test this zone 20,300 and 20,350 kind of zones. Then again you can go and short. This is the Bank Nifty for tomorrow's trade. Now we'll see two stocks. One is Tech Mahindra, another is Aurobindo Pharma. First we'll go to the Tech Mahindra chart. Friends, this is a Tech Mahindra daily chart. If you see today, huge momentum. This is the momentum candle. So this moment may go up to 614 in the future. So maybe 614 or 620 kind of levels it may test in coming days. For a positional trade, if you are a positional trader, wait for small correction and buy it and keep a stop loss below this candle. This candle low is 555, and wait for a target of 640 kind of levels. It may test somewhere here. So the 650 kind of levels it may go in a coming days. But exclusively for tomorrow intraday trading, how we have to trade, the trade plan we'll see now. This is the Tech Mahindra trade plan for tomorrow. See, today the rally, base, rally. So this base area will give a decent support tomorrow. So the buying opportunity will come around 576 and keep a stop loss below 570 and aim for a target of 593 or 94 kind of levels. So once you enter the trade, maintain the stop loss and trail your stop loss till 593 or 594 kind of levels. So that way you can trade Tech Mahindra for tomorrow. Another stock is Aurobindo Pharma. See, Aurobindo Pharma. See, today's candle, after touching higher level, it is taking some profit booking is going on in the stock. If you observe the entire pharma sector is doing very well. But today also most of the pharma stocks given a decent uptick. But Aurobindo Pharma has fallen from the top. So that's why tomorrow it may come back and retest these demand levels in coming days. For tomorrow's trade, we'll see on a 15 minutes chart and have a trade plan for that. So this is the 15 minutes chart of Aurobindo Pharma. This is the entry around 770 kind of levels, keeping a stop loss above 775 and aim for a target of 746 or 750 kind of levels. So that way you will get a decent risk to reward also. We can keep 750 as a target. So 770 is the selling area and keep a stop loss 5 rupees up, that is 775, and aim for a target of 750. So Aurobindo Pharma is a selling opportunity and Tech Mahindra is a buying opportunity for tomorrow. So thank you friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please share it to your friends. If you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Every day I am giving my view on Nifty, Bank Nifty and 1 or 2 stocks for next trading day. Please watch this channel regularly. Thank you so much.